Now let's see, as part of Amazon S3, in this session, we are going to see AWS S3 integration with Python team. Let's say team, we have AWS account. Okay. In this AWS account, we have AWS S3 storage service, AWS S3 storage service. In this AWS S3 service, we have different buckets. Bucket 1 to bucket N. We have different bucket. Inside a bucket, we have file folder. Inside a folder, we have a file. We have a file. So using Python application, middle we use a Boto3 API. Boto3 API. Using Boto3 API means using Python application with the help of Boto3 API. With the help of Boto3 API, you can interact with AWS S3. Whatever we did in front end means using AWS Management Console, and you can do with the Python program with the help of Boto3 API. You can create a connection, then you can create a bucket, you can create a folder, you can upload a folder using Python programs. So in this example, we are going to list the list of buckets, and then we are going to read this file. We are going to display the data of this file. Okay. So let's start this practical example. Let me create a folder in our workspace. I have created a workspace under C drive. There is a folder called the workspace. In this, I created a folder called Python integration with S3. Then I am creating one folder. Okay, so I created a folder called, let's say, V11. This one. No, this time. Okay, assume I created a workspace folder for my V11. Okay, go to VS Code. VS Code software should be installed. I already installed VS Code, and Python should be installed in our machine. Then start VS Code. So I'm starting VS Code. Let's wait a few seconds. Then open the workspace folder. Okay, let's go to file menu. You can open folder. Then select Java. Click on the folder. Okay, now let's create a file. I'm using is Python underscore S3 underscore example.py. I am creating I am creating a new file, Python underscore S3 underscore example.py. Okay, now let's copy. Before copying the code, click on terminal, click on new terminal, install Boto3 in your machine. So Python space -m space pip space install space Boto3. Press enter. Then it will start installing Boto3 API. In my mission already presented. That's why you are seeing requirements already satisfied. Okay. Once you install both the three, okay, copy this code. In this code, what I'm doing, I'm going to list the list of buckets, then read file from specified bucket, display the content. Okay. So first one, for this one, you need access key, secret key, and reason. Go to your AWS IAM account. Go to AWS IAM. Create a user. I already having a user. I'm going to remove that user. Okay, let's see, remove this user. Select the user, click on delete, and deactivate access keys. Then confirm. Okay. Then what I'm doing, I'm clicking on create user. Click on create user. I'm giving username is Akkem Sreenivas. I'm creating username is Akkem Sreenivas. For this user, I'm providing access. Then custom password. I'm giving custom password. Then click on new next. And here I'm attaching policy for this user. I'm attaching S3 full policy, full access policy. Then click on next button. Then click on create user. User is created successfully. Return to users list. Yes. Then click on this user. Then here you can see create access key. Click on create access key. From where you are accessing? Application running outside of AWS. Application we are running in Windows operating system using VS Code. It is outside of AWS cloud. So I am selecting application running outside of AWS. Click on next button. Click on create access key. Copy this access key. Change this access key. Okay. Now copy secret key. Copy this secret key. Then change this secret key. Change this secret key. Then scroll down. We are creating a connection between AWS S3 with our Python application. Then here I am listing all the S3 buckets. S3 dot list buckets. I'll get a response. Then I am using for loop. I'm listing all S3 buckets. Next one, I want to read my bucket data. So go to AWS S3. Which bucket file you want to read? This is our bucket name. Okay. In this bucket, emp.csv. There is a file called emp.csv. Okay. Give a bucket name, give a file name. Which file you want it? emp.csv. Then this one, s3.get object, which will read specified file from the bucket, returns response. Then we are converting that response into human readable format using UTF. Then I am printing the content. Okay. Let's save this program. Right click on this program, run Python program in a terminal. You can use Python command. You can use Python command. Then you can use this example. Then run this program. We are going to see output. So these are list of buckets. These are list of buckets presented in our AWS account. And this is file data. Clear writing, how to integrate AWS S3 with Python using both 3.